Hello everyone, Class 8 Geography, Chapter 3rd. Conventional source are two types, okay, firewood and fossil. Firewood. It is widely used for cooking and heating. In our country, more than 50% of energy used by villagers come from firewood. Remains of plants and animals which were buried under the earth for millions of years got converted by the heat and pressure into fossil fuel. Fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas are the main sources of conventional energy. The reserves of these minerals are limited. The rate at which the growing world population is consuming them is far greater than the rate of their formation. So these are likely to be exhausted soon. Oil, natural gas. Advantage: easier transport, tankers, basis of petrochemical industry. Disadvantage: depletions of oxygen due to oil spills and gas leakage, pollutants released caused acid rain, and exploration of new fuels is not easy. Advantage: easier to transport, pipelines, natural gas, cleaner than oil and coal, cheaper than oil. Conventional sources of energy: firewood. Advantage, disadvantage: easy access, provide energy to a large number of people. Disadvantage: collection is time consuming, polluting, promoting greenhouse effect, deforestation. And coal. Advantage, disadvantage: advantage, extensively available, efficient conversion to electricity. Disadvantage, polluting source, bulky to transport. Hydel power. Advantage, disadvantage: non polluting, promotes irrigations and fishing, cheap. Disadvantage, displacement of local community in undates, low lying regions, expensive to set up. Conventional source of energy. Conventional, we can talk coal. Women carrying firewood in north and east India. Coal. This is the most abundantly found fossil fuel. It is used as domestic fuel in industries such as iron and steel, steam energy, and do generate electricity. Electricity from coal is called thermal power. The coal which we are using today was formed millions of years ago when giant ferns and swamps got buried under the layer of earth. Coal is therefore referred to as layer of earth. Coal is to as buried sunshine referred. The leading coal producer of India of world are China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa, and France. The coal produced areas of India and Raniganj, Jharia, Dhanbad, and Bokaro in Jharkhand. A view of thermal power station. Petroleum: the petrol that keeps your car running as well as the oil that keeps your cycle from squeaking. Both begin as a thick black liquid called petroleum. It is found between the layer of rocks and drilled from oil fields located in offshore and coastal areas. This is then sent to refineries which process the crude oil and produce a variety of products like diesel, petrol, kerosene, wax, plastic, and lubricants. Petroleum and its deri- derivatives are called black gold as they are very valuable. The cheap petroleum producing countries are Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar. The other major producers are USA, Russia, Venezuela, and Algeria. The leading producers in India are Digboi, Assam, Bombay, High in Mumbai, and the deltas of Krishna and Godavari rivers. Crude oil, world origin. The word petroleum is derived from Latin word petra meaning rock, olum meaning oil. So petroleum means rock oil. Natural gas. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposit and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. It can be used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Russia, Norway, UK, and the Netherlands are the major producers of natural gas. In India, Jaisalmer, Krishna Godavari Delta, Tripura, and some areas of shore in Mumbai have natural gas resources. Very few countries in the world have sufficient natural gas reserves of their own. The sharp increase in our consumption fossil fuels has led to their depletions at an alarming rate. The toxic pollutants released from burning these fuels are also cause for concern. Unchecked burning of fossil fuel is like an unchecked dripping tap which will eventually run dry. This has led to the tapping of various non conventional sources of energy that are cleaner alternatives to fossil fuels. Do you know compressed natural gas (CNG) is a popular eco-friendly automobile fuel as it causes less pollution than petroleum and diesel. Do you know Norway was the first country in the world to develop hydroelectricity, hydel power? Tidal power, rainwater or river water stored in dams and mains to fall from heights. The falling water flows through pipes inside the dam over turbine blades placed at the bottom of dam. The moving blades then turn the generator to produce electricity. This is called hydroelectricity. This water discharge after the generation of electricity is used for irrigations. One fourth of the world electricity is produced by hydel power. The leading producer of hydel power in the world are Paraguay, Norway, Brazil, and China. Some One fourth of the world electricity is produced by the hydel power. The leading producer of hydel power in world are Paraguay, Norway, Brazil, and China. Some important hydel power stations in India are Bakra Nagal, Gandhi Sagar, Nagarjun Sagar, and Damodar Valley project. Do you know the site of the world's first solar and wind powered but shelter is in Scotland? Hydel power non-conventional source of energy. The increasing use of fossil fuel is leading to its shortage. It is estimated that if present rate of consumption continues, the reserve of these fuel will get exhausted. Moreover, their use also cause environmental pollution. Therefore, there is need for using non-conventional sources such as solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, which are renewable. Solar hydroelectricity project Jammu and Kashmir. Solar energy. Sun's heat and light energy can be felt by us every day. Solar energy trapped from the sun can be used in solar cells to produce electricity. Many of these cells are joined into solar panels to generate. Wind energy advantage disadvantage. Non polluting noise pollution, low cost production of electricity, one setup, winds mills costly to set up, disturb radio and TV receptions, disadvantage, harmful to birds, safe and clean, advantage, wind energy, solar energy, advantage, disadvantage, inexhaustible, non polluting, expensive, diffuse source to get wasted, and tidal energy advantage disadvantage non polluting inter-exhaustible disadvantage destroys wildlife habitat difficult to harness non conventional source of energy nuclear energy advantage disadvantage emits large amount of energy disadvantage generates radioactivity wastage expensive biogas advantage disadvantage low cost easy to operate makes use of bio waste cause greenhouse effect disadvantage geothermal energy advantage disadvantage advantage clean eco-friendly and always available disadvantage located far away from cities and so costly to transport the electricity non-conventional solar sources of energy for power for heating and lighting purpose the technology of utilizing solar energy benefit a lot of tropical countries that are blessed with Abundant sunshine. Solar energy is also used in solar heats, solar cookers, solar dryers. Besides being used for community lighting and traffic signals. Wind energy. Solar panel to trap solar energy. Wind energy. Wind is an accessible source of energy. Mills have been used for grinding grain and lifting water since time immemorial. In modern time, windmills, the high speed wind rotate the mill, which is connected to a generator to produce electricity. Wind farms having clusters of such windmills and are located in coastal regions and in mountain passes where strong and steady winds blow. Wind farms are found in Netherlands, Germany, Denmark, UK, USA, and Spain are noted for their wind energy production activity. Solar cooker. Take an old car. YouTube, in fact, you can see it. Okay, this is your activity. Nuclear power. Nuclear power is obtained from energy stored in the nuclei of atoms of naturally occurring radioactive elements like uranium and thorium. These fuels undergo nuclear fusion in nuclear reactors and emits power. The greatest producers of nuclear power are USA and Europe. In India, Rajasthan and Jharkhand have large deposit of uranium. Thorium is found in large quantities in the monazite stand of Kerala. Nuclear power station Kalpakkam, Kerala. The nuclear power stations in India are located in Kalpakkam in Tamil Nadu, Tarapur in Maharashtra, Rana Pratap Sagar near Kota in Rajasthan, Narora in Uttar Pradesh, and Kaiga in Karnataka. Geothermal energy. Heat energy obtained from the earth is called geothermal energy. The temperature in the interior of the earth rises steadily. As we go to deeper, sometimes the heat energy may surface itself in the form of hot springs. The heat energy can be used to generate power. Nuclear energy. Geothermal energy in the form of hot spring has been used for cooking, heating, and bathing for several years. USA has the world's largest geothermal power plant, followed by the New Zealand island, Philippines, and Central America. In India, geothermal plants are located in Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh and Kuka Valley in Ladakh. Geothermal energy in Manikaran, cooking food with the help of geothermal energy. Okay, this is geothermal energy, natural crack, steam well, water turbine generator. And here it is nuclear energy. Nuclear reactor, heat from fission, hot water, steam turbine generator, electricity produced. Tidal energy. Energy generated from tides is called tidal energy. Tidal energy can be harnessed by the Bulling dams at Naro. Do you know the first tidal energy station was built in France? Low tidal energy is used to produce electricity. Tidal energy. You can see the picture. Opening of the sea during high tide, the energy of tides is used to turn the turbine installed in the dam to produce electricity. Russia, France, and Gulf of Kutch in India have used tidal mills forms. Biogas. Look at the picture 3.21. Biogas. Okay, biogas. Organic waste such as dead plant and animals material. Animal dung and kitchen waste can be converted into a gaseous fuel called biogas. The organic waste is decomposed by the bacteria in biogas digesters to emit biogas, which is essentially a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. Biogas is an excellent fuel for cooking and lighting and produces huge amount of organic manure each year. Energy is everywhere, but we can see the harnessing this energy is both difficult as well as costly. Each one of us can make a difference by not wasting energy. Energy saved in energy generated. Act now and make brighter energy future. Exercise. Answer the following questions. We can see this and take the correct answers. Give reasons, distinguishes between the following activities. Okay, and electricity audit, you can see this.